Ever wonder how those viral horror stories on TikTok or YouTube Shorts are made? What if I told you that you can create your own scary story in just a few minutes using AI? In this video, I'll show you step by step on how you can generate creepy, spine-chilling stories with AI that could go viral fast. Let's begin. First, you can just open your favorite AI writing tool. You can use Gemini, ChatGPT, or even tools like Claude or WriteSonic. And these tools will generate creative, detailed stories based on prompts. You just need to tell them what kind of story you want. For example, in here, I'm going to write the prompt like this. Write a scary short story about a haunted phone that keeps calling its owner at 3 a.m. So you can just hit on submit and you'll be amazed at how creative the results can get. So this is a story, it's called the 3 a.m. caller. So once the AI gives you a story, don't just stop there. Add your own twist. Maybe change the ending, add a creepy character, or make the story more personal like this happened to me last summer. That kind of storytelling makes your audience feel fear. And now, to make it viral, you can use tools like HeyGen, VO, or Pika Labs to turn your AI story into a short, animated, or realistic horror clip. Or you can just simply add a dark stock footage, eerie background music, and AI voiceover using CapCut or VN editor. And after that, you can just upload video and use titles like this AI story is too scary to watch at night, or maybe AI story that give me chills. And don't forget to also add trending hashtag like AI story, horror shorts, scary AI, or AI video. And that's it, you just created an AI viral scary story with fast and easy and super fun ways. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. See you in the next one. Bye!